there is no party loyalty, there is no ethics, there is no ideology. हे आमकां नवें, पूण आमचे कडेनूय अशे घटना घडिल्ले आशिल्ले आसा. आनी देवाचो उपकार की आमी एक राजकारणान जे कारणा खातीर आयल्या ताजेर आमी स्ट्रॉंग आसा. वी हॅव नॉट फ्लिंच्ड फ्रॉम दॅट ऑब्जेक्टीव. आनी आमकां अजून पर्यंत कोण कांयच अशें ऑफर करूंक शकलो ना बिकॉज ऑफ वीच वी वूड चेंज द पार्टीज. 2015 जेन्ना मिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकर डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर जावपाक दिल्ली गेलो तेन्ना पणजेन ताका कोण रिप्लेस करतलो बायपोलान ही चर्चा जाल्ली. आय वॉन्ट टू रिवील टुडे that I was offered ticket of BJP to stand in Panji.
This time?
In 2015. In 2015 when Mr. Manor Parrikar went to Delhi. They had created no leadership and the person that they had chosen, Siddharth Ukerkar, he was not acceptable to his own Karyakartas. But last time there was no other choice but to put him there, and he, with Parrikar's own efforts, he got elected in that election as well as the next election. 2017 ऑगस्टाचो बायपोल जेन्ना जालो तेन्ना मनोहर पर्रीकर डिफेन्स मिनिस्ट्री सोडून परत आयलो तेन्ना आमी काँग्रेसी कडेन खूब ट्राय केले की देर शूड बी अ वन ऑन वन फायट. In that election, I was offered Congress ticket by Bab Shantaram Naik.
Which year was?
2017 August. Bypoll zalo. There should be some consequences to a politician's promises. So Aam Aadmi Party has ठरयला की to instill confidence in the people आणि आमच्या उतराक थोडो कितें तरी वालोर आसपाक we have declared in releasing an affidavit. This affidavit simply states, I, the undersigned, pledge that if elected as MLA with the blessings of the people of Panji constituency in the bypoll of May 19, 2019, number 1, I will not join Bharatiya Janata Party. हांव जर आमदार जालो पणजेच्यान निवडून आयलो जाल्यार हांव भारतीय जनता पार्टी जॉइन जावचो ना. नंबर 2, I will not support a BJP led government. बीजेपीच्या सरकाराक हांव पाठिंबो सुद्दां दिवचो ना. हे दोन प्रॉमिसेस हांव स्टॅम्प पेपराचेर नोटरायज्ड एफिडेविट रिलीज केला आनी हो एफिडेविट हांव घराघरांनी वचून दितलो सो दॅट पीपल हॅव कॉन्फिडन्स इन वॉट आय से. आनी आमी मागता की बाकीचे जे कॅन्डिडेट आसा ते सांगतात की आमकां बीजेपी नाका तांणी हो एफिडेविट रिलीज करचो. आय रिक्वेस्ट अतानासियो बाबूश मोन्सेरात to release this affidavit and prove to the people that he is actually going to stay with the Congress and not jump to the BJP after getting elected on a Congress ticket. I request Professor Velinkar also to release the same affidavit. See, people will elect me as a MLA. I will do everything in my power to make sure that BJP doesn't form the government. If that requires me to provide support to a Congress-led government from the outside, I will support it, but I will not join any party's government. I will not take any position or cabinet ministry or any sort of offer to join the party or government.